wanted to come on really quick because I had created a birthday card for my friend Anna, who is Serenity Creations. Hey girl, she is actually on her way over to my house right now so that we can have a crafty day, and I just finished this, so I wanted to share this with you guys before I gave it to her. So here is my birthday card. Isn't it so cute? So basically this is a take on the Easel drawer card, but I did use this drawer that I got from the Dollar Tree, and it was in one of my haul videos, and it's clear plastic. So what I did was I took this paper, and it's gorgeous yellow paper that has all these florals on it. So immediately it reminded me of Anna because she loves yellow. So I created this base here and covered it on the top, the sides, and the back, as well as underneath, which I'll show you once I show you the rest, because everything will fall out. So it does have a clear plastic drawer, and I created this shaped easel card. Let me just lay this flat. And I Copic colored this super cute saturated canary stamp, and it is called Cherry on Top. So I thought it was perfect. And the original idea for how I was going to decorate this didn't pan out, so this is what I came up with. So this is a Spellbinders die. I believe it's 4 inches, and I covered it with paper. The card base is made with some heavyweight basil cardstock in yellow, and I layered it, I think, two with paper, and then underneath or in between is some lightweight chipboard, because I do like my cards really sturdy. I layered a doily down, but underneath that is some of that like really hot pink netting that I got from Hobby Lobby. So I just kind of put 2 pieces just to give it a little bit more interest in the background. Then I just have that white doily. I laid her down flat after fussy cutting her out. Here's some stickles on the cupcake, the top of the cupcake, and then the cherry, and everything else, just little accents, is shimmered with some of my Aqua Nouveau glitter pen. And I just created this sentiment on my computer and used my Avery L label die to cut that out. And for the embellishments, I used my Pretty Things from Lucy's Cards, I think that's what it's called, the gems, and just sprinkled them around liberally. I did have to make a flower cluster. I can't make a card without a flower cluster. So these are all Wilderger Crafts flowers except for this. I made some curly cues. This one was a really light shade of yellow, so I did use my Prima shimmer spray to make that a little bit brighter. I did paint in like a little bit of orange just because that was really light as well. I used my Aqua Shimmer pen to make it all shimmery, and that is the front. And when you open it up, this is actually some paper from Hobby Lobby that I thought matched really well. So I laid that down. This is a Mama Elephant sentiment from my favorite birthday sentiment stamp set. I heat embossed that with some clear after stamping it out with some VersaFine Onyx Black ink. I used a wonky circle stitched die that I got from Cottage Cuts, and it fit perfectly around it. Then I just layered some more of my Wilderger Craft flowers, shimmered those up, and that's the whole card. Now, the cool thing about this card is that it is removable. So here is the underside, and that's just my handmade sticker. To give you a closer look at this beautiful paper. And then the side, here's the bottom. and everything is shimmered with my homemade shimmer spray. And the way that it stays on here is that the bottom of this as well as the top of this is magnetized. So it just sticks on right like that. So she can choose to leave the card on here if she wants or take it off. I just thought it was a really neat idea. And in this drawer, I'll just show you really quick. So I got these ribbons from Etsy because you guys know that she loves her poop. So look at that one with the unicorn. This is, I think, like 1.5 inches wide. And then look at this one. They're all unicorn poop. Super cute. I did make her a note card set. So there's 5 little note cards. And I finally used my Stampin' Up! Painted Harvest stamp set that I'd won from Marilyn G. a while back. And Anna loves sunflowers, so I thought it was the perfect stamp set to use for her little note cards because I know she likes including these in some Happy Mail. So they're all stamped exactly the same. It is a layering stamp. And I just used some various yellows and, yeah, I think they were just yellows from my stash, and then just stamped out the middle and then created some white envelopes for it to fit and just tied it around with some twine. And then she can use those on any, you know, projects that she wants or gifting or anything like that. So there is my birthday card for my sweet friend Anna. Hope she loves it. I am so glad the magnet part worked out because I just had a vision in my head, and a lot of times it takes a long time to have it come to fruition. So thank you guys so much for stopping by. Make sure to go over and wish Anna a very happy birthday, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful Memorial Day weekend, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.